Hello, how are they, my people? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where we dey gist Bible matter for pidgin. And today, joy full my body as I bring the first episode for Bible Gist Naija. And our gist today now from Genesis, the beginning of everything, how Baba God take create everything we dey see today. Our gist today will cover Genesis chapter 1 from verse 1 to 5. So if you go check Made Bible, may you see wetin Genesis chapter 1 from verse 1 to 5 talk about so that you too go understand as you take the follow up the gist. But right now, we dey dive into the gist. Yes, in the beginning, Bible tell us say na Baba God create heaven and earth, everything we dey see today na Baba God create am. No be say na one scientist wey just sit down somewhere or one big man wey just sit down somewhere arrange am. Na Baba God tidy am up just with word wey come out from him mouth. As him just talk am na so the thing be. As he talk this one na so e happen. He say this one na so e be. Yes, in the beginning, Bible say the earth no balance, everywhere scatter, darkness there everywhere, and so water just full everywhere. And Baba God now, maybe the King of Kings, come dey waka on top water just like that, dey waka for darkness. Now im dey reason this thing one day say, me wey be God, Alpha and Omega, King of Kings, I come dey waka on top water, like say I no know wetin I dey do, dey waka for darkness. Now im verse, as im verse, na so im come say, light show. Na so light show 2 seconds, e no waste time, light show everywhere bright. Now everything na say say na now I don do something. He come look and see say the light wey he create so e make sense. Now he come say okay, him go separate the light from the darkness. As he come talk like this, na so he come begin dey work on am. As he just talk am, na so the thing happen. So the light him call am day, na be the morning, the afternoon and the evening wey we dey see, and the evening na from those kind 4 to 6 the way day still dey bright. Then for the darkness he come call am night. Na be the ninth time wey we dey hear about, the 00 hour where things and things dey happen, where things dey sup. Na him Baba God call night. So na how we take get day and night be this. But you reason am, shey you observe something? You say power dey for God mouth. E mean say power dey your own mouth too. So anything wey you dey go through, no give up. Because if God fit just talk something, say light show, 2 seconds, e no waste time, light show. E mean say Baba God fit still talk something inside your own life wey go change every situation, wey go for make everywhere stew. So no give up, no lose hope. Na who give up na lose God. That thing wey Baba God plan for you, you go accomplish am for your life. If only you believe. No slack behind. No lose God at all, because na who lose God na him for come. Yes, so now here we will end our gist for today. But if you dey enjoy our gist as it take dey come, so abeg subscribe to this channel, follow this channel, like, comment, share your thoughts with us so that we go dey learn with each other, and also share this channel. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. Till the next episode, God bless you.